Hey guys, welcome to math tutorial. In this video, we will rationalize the denominator of this fraction 3 root 2 by root 11. So let's start. Look that we have root 11 in the denominator and this is an irrational number. So we have to rationalize it first. And to do that, we will at first multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 11. So, doing that, we get 3 root 2 by root 11 times root 11 by root 11. And that gives us 3 root 2 times root 11 by root 11 times root 11. And simplifying the numerator, we have 3 root 2 times 11. And in the denominator, we have root 11 times root 11, that is 11. We have used the formula of root x times root y is equal to square root of x times y in the numerator, where x is 2 and y is 11. And in the denominator, we have used this formula, that is square root of a times square root of a is equal to a. Here a is 11. Again, we have to simplify the numerator and we have 3 root 22. And in the denominator, we already have 11. So, our goal is achieved. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching.